What's up guys, it's Joey and I'm here in Chiang Rai, Thailand, staying with a couple friends, Mick, Mikki and Jolo. About to meet up with them. It's about 7 in the morning, gonna go with a local chef to go to the market, get some food, gonna learn how to cook a local Thai dish today. Check it out. Alright, what's up guys? So we have just made it to the market in Chiang Rai. It's busy this morning. We're about to pick out some ingredients for our meal today. There's Jolo.
Yeah, good morning.
And Mikki.
Morning. Good morning.
And our chef. What was your name?
My name is Mano.
Mano?
Yeah.
Alright, yes.
So this, let you know here, this bamboo. So the last night you have to eat too.
Right, yeah.
Red curry, right?
Oh, that one?
That vegetable come from the mountain.
Okay.
Local again is pak mao.
Pak Mao. So right now we are with the local chef, Mano, and he is showing us around the market, and we're getting ingredients. We're gonna make tom yum soup and pad thai and red curry. So getting a bunch of different stuff. The market's super interesting, very busy for 7 a.m. on a Thursday morning. What is going on here?
The local people, when they sit here, read the newspaper or talk together, share idea, same person or same friend. About 1 hour, then they move to home.
So we're at a local coffee shop inside the market, right? How are you enjoying the tour thing so far?
I need coffee.
Yeah, we should have started with this. So we got 2 layers. We've got the coffee and the coconut milk.
Before we drink, we have to stir first. When you stir, mix together, then you start drink.
Okay.
That is local style.
We've all needed some coffee. We're all pretty exhausted, so I'm excited. It's sweet. Very, very sweet. With all the condensed stuff. I normally drink it black.
So, would you like to try the soft boiled egg?
The what?
I say this is I say a breakfast. Soft boiled egg, and we have seasoning the soy sauce, salt, pepper, put together and drink.
Okay.
Try?
Yeah, sure, I'll try it.
Look at it.
Yeah.
That is like that.
Yeah. So we put this one in,
Yeah.
and then you drink it.
Yeah.
So the soft boiled egg is here. Some of this.
What is that?
Like that much?
Up to your taste. You like more salty?
I've never had before soft
I will
boiled
put
egg.
to you.
Okay.
Mine is for breakfast.
Okay.
And pepper, little
Okay.
bit. You like
Stir.
salt or maybe stir and taste first. If not enough, can you add more?
Okay.
Oh wow.
It's like same more power.
Good.
How is it? It's pretty good actually. It's a very strong taste, but it's good. It's good enough to drink more.
Finish it. For ready, if you not.
So just finished it.
Yeah, you try.
So I just drank an egg.
Need to know.
Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, pretty good.
Let's
Makes you good and strong. I feel like one of those guys in the cartoons that like puts an egg in their breakfast smoothie and just drinks it for muscles. Every day?
Not every day.
Not every day.
Some when need the more power.
So after the egg, you have to drink a little bit of tea to clear the mouth, and I totally understand why they do that. So cheers. So we're now at a local garden, seeing some of the plants and how they grow them here, and about to enjoy a local breakfast that they are cooking for us.
Hi to cooking.
Hello.
Hi. So the ginger chill in clear soup with chicken.
Chicken,
Yeah.
awesome.
And with stir fry.
So now we are in the kitchen and gonna get ready to cook up our meal. Right. So we got our aprons and a hat, getting ready to cook. This is great. How did you put this on? All right, perfect. Sounded cool. I don't know what this. I don't know what Just cooking the pad thai. We get to try it, see how it is, so then when we make it for ourselves, we know that we didn't do well. We just finished up our pad thai, and now it's time for red curry.
Yeah, red curry with chicken.
Red curry with chicken. So now it's our turn. We got our ingredients, our little station. I'm gonna try and make this soup. See how it goes. I'm not a cooking channel, I promise. This is not supposed to be good, so don't let me fake you out. Okay, gonna leave that like so. I never expected to be doing a cooking class in Thailand. I really didn't. I'm not really sure how this happened, but you know, it's been fun. I've enjoyed it. Soup is finished. Last little bit is to add a little bit of lime juice. There we go. Looking good. First bite of my soup I made.
We have the coconut or some milk.
I think it's really good.
More sweet.
The most accurate.
Yeah.
I don't want to tell me. So. Try yours. I'm gonna try yours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good. Take a dip.
Yep. What's up guys? So I'm currently editing the video and realized I just kind of stopped filming after we tried the soup. So I think I was actually just thoroughly surprised that my food turned out good. Didn't think that was gonna happen. It definitely helps though when you have a chef that's helping you out every step of the way, telling you what to do. So can cook a little bit, I guess. I'm not really sure, you decide. But I had such a fun time traveling with these guys in Uzbekistan and Thailand and Philippines and really had a blast. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps YouTube recognize the video and show it to more people. So it helps me out a lot. And I'm really trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Doing a little bit of manifestation here. You guys help me out. I really want to hit that in the next couple months. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Maybe what's your favorite food or favorite dish that you like to cook sometimes. And if you can't cook, just like favorite food. I don't know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really enjoyed it. Bye.
Coconut milk. Half right.
Half, yeah. Like so.
And after?
The red curry. You don't need to stir coconut milk.
Okay, so
put the red curry.
Yes. So currently Jolo is going live. So
Are you live?
Yeah.
he is. Wait. Oh, what?
But no one's watching.
Look at all of his followers.
Oh, sad.